Hi, this is a video of how this centralized platform works. We have two modules here, login and sign up. To register in this platform, click on sign up. You have to enter all the username, email ID, all the mandatory fields to register an account. You can select the country code here and enter the phone number. After entering the password is also, there are terms and conditions added, so you have to enter the password accordingly. And then after any check this terms and condition, and then the create your account button will enable. Once the account is created, the mail ID that you had entered, an activation link will be sent from this this site, and then you have to click on that activate button. Once you click on that activate button, only then you will be able to log into this platform. So I already have an account, so I will log into that account. For security purpose, I have enabled the 2FA, so that's the reason it's asking me the 6-digit code. Login successful. Now after your login, you will be redirected to the dashboard screen, wherein it says welcome to the name that you was already entered. KYC, my KYC is already verified. 2FA is also enabled. If in case your profile or KYC is not updated, the moment you log in, you will be redirected to profile screen. So this is mandatory to fill. You will have to enter all these records. You will have to upload the image, and then you have to submit. Only after this you will have to update the KYC. Now I have already uploaded the KYC document, so it is showing as verified. You have to upload the passport or Aadhaar card, whichever documents is asked here. You have to upload that, and then the status will turn to pending. And from the admin panel, they'll verify the proof that is uploaded, and then when they verify the account status will change to verified. Only after these modules are verified, we'll be able to access this platform. Now here these all currencies are displayed, and with the deposit and withdraw button. Again, for withdraw button, it is mandatory to enable 2FA. If 2FA is not enabled and you click on withdraw button, redirect to this 2FA screen, where you have to enter this, you have to scan the scanner, or you have to copy the wallet address and get the QR code. And similarly, while withdrawing, if you click on withdraw, it is mandatory to see, for withdraw, it is mandatory to enter the authentication code, and you have to set the withdrawal password. This both is mandatory to enter. And yeah, you can add an occasional address and add an address. You have to enter all these details, and then this withdrawal will be initiated. We have fiat also. You can have USD, you can have currencies added to this account, and then amount. Again, for this also you have the authentication code, withdrawal, and minimum maximum that you have to enter, and the receive amount. Once you enter the amount, the receive amount will be calculated. This is the bank details. Similar for deposit, you'll have the QR code and the address displayed. You can copy and you can paste it to the network from which you want to deposit. Similarly, here also fiat we have. The available balance will be displayed. In the drop-down, we have USDT, IMPS code, transaction ID, deposit amount, and the slip that has to be uploaded. The bank details will be displayed over here, admin bank details. In this module, all the currency, price, and change will be listed over here. In this module, this is an exchange platform. Here, all the open order, stop order, and order history will be displayed. There is no buy and sell order. So here from, if you want to buy, you can click on ETH and USDT, you'll be redirected to the screen. Here we have buy and sell option. When I click on buy option, it will redirect to the screen, and we can enter the price and amount. The price and amount can be displayed over here. Based on that, the total price, the total amount you will receive, and the available balance, available USDT, last price, what was the last price, that all will be displayed on the header. And once you enter the amount, the total what you will receive, that will be displayed with the fee that is be charged percentage. Instant swap. If you want to swap the token from USDT to BTC, you can simply select the tokens from the drop down and you can enter the USDT value. Once you did, when you click on preview conversation, you will know how much BTC you will receive if you give 10 USDT. Similarly, for sell also it will work the same. Similarly, instant swap also, here we'll have only USD and BTC. If I enter an amount, so they'll tell me how much USD ETH I will receive by giving USD. P2P trade, buy and sell order can be placed here by entering the price, amount, and once it is entered, it will be redirected to the order X ID or order screen. See, all the X book ID is listed here. All the orders that are completed orders will be listed here, and when you click on this, the whole history of the transaction will be displayed here. And once P2P is initiated, a mail also is sent to the users. This is a KYC identity verification. Security 2FA enable disable, reset password, login password, account deletion. Account deletion will delete your account and again you will have to register for this platform. You can reset the withdrawal password, and 2FA enable you can see here, and this is the login password. You can change the login password here. Bank details, you can enter the bank details here. After entering all the details, you have to click on submit, and then the same history will be displayed over here. All the bank details that you add here, the history for the same will be listed in the screen. This is the privacy policy that will redirect. And history of all transaction, deposit, withdraw, trade history, swap history, P2P history, notification history. All the histories are maintained under the history module. So this is how our platform works. Thank you.